Welcome to Senclo. We're going to show you how to install and set up your Fi Garage Controller. Everything you need is in the box: the installation guide, wall mount, door sensor, power module, power supply, screws, wires, and door sensor template. Installing is simple. You will install the door sensor, install the Fi controller, connect the wires, and power it on. Let's get started. Open the garage door fully. Use the door sensor mounting template and place it against the rail approximately 2 inches away from the garage door. Drill the holes at the marked spots using a drill bit size 7/32 or 7 millimeters. Then use the screws and butterfly nut provided to mount the door sensor securely. Make sure the proximity holes point directly at the edge of the garage door. Then close the garage door. Now unplug the power to the garage door opener. Now it's time to install the Fi controller. Remove the garage button from the wall and the cables connected to it. Take note of which cables are positive and which are negative. Use the provided screws and drywall anchor if necessary to install the wall mount where the garage button used to be. Insert the positive and negative cables from the garage button into the wall mount ports labeled positive and negative. Tighten the screw to secure the cables. Place the Fi controller onto the wall bracket using the top latch on the mounting plate, then slowly push the unit into place. It will click when it is secure. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screw at the bottom to lock the Fi controller to the wall mount. Now it's time to connect the wires. Plug the provided green terminal and wires into the power module. Remove the positive and negative cables that were connected from the garage button and connect them to the positive and negative terminals on the power module. Now, plug the trigger cables from the power module back into those ports that the cables came from. It doesn't matter which is plugged into which. Use the double-sided tape provided to mount the power module and then plug in the Ethernet cable. Next, plug in the other side of the Ethernet cable to the door sensor. Now it's time to power on. Plug the power supply into the back of the power module. Then plug in the garage door power and the Fi controller power. Once plugged in, you should see the door sensor light up. Your Fi controller will start up and guide you to the Wi-Fi screen. Be sure to have your network password handy. Input the password into the Fi controller. Once connected, you should see the Wi-Fi signal turn green. Click on the Open button to open the garage. That's it. If you need more help, please visit our support site at senclo.com/support. Thank you for watching.